or 28th of April, my lord.
Yeah, following.
My lord, we are suggesting a date in April, either 26, 27, or 28.
You said you discussed with the Claimant Council. Did you agree on the longer adjournment?
Yes, we did, my lord. Because the settlement is, as I said, at the maturity level.
Okay. In the circumstance, this case is hereby adjourned to 26th of April 2022 for report of settlement. Your notice shall be issued and served on the claimant who's broken the case by.
We are grateful, my lord.
Welcome.
We are grateful, much obliged.
Welcome. Next.
Just number 5. 14, 2020. Clear the legal limit and shield IC and travel orders.
At least representation of counsel.
May my lord be pleased.
Yes.
Emi Alassani is my name.
Yes.
For the claimant respondent.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, it appears that there is no representation from the defendant.
Matter for hearing the defendant's application. There is no legal representation. Defendant's applicant. Yes, Mr. Anderson.
Yes, my lord, they are aware of today's date since they were served in order to move their application, my lord. We will not make any further application for striking out because we want the case to act on merit. We will oblige them. Let's have a date for their application, sir, in their instance.
Did you react to the application?
We didn't, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir, because what we have saw in their application, we need to confirm. We send a letter for confirmation. Up to this moment, we did not receive a response. That's why we didn't file anything. Because if at all what they have asserted in their motion is true, we may apply for striking out the whole entire matter, and or will respond accordingly. That's why we don't even file anything by now, sir.
One of you should want it. In the circumstance, this case is hereby adjourned to 15th of February 2022 for hearing the defendant's application. The R notice shall be issued and served on the defendant.
15, my lord.
Yeah, February 15th.
Thank you, my lord. We are grateful.
Yes.
Number 6. Bauchi.
Something about number 6. Check. Number 6 is not the first.
Yes. Parties.
Dismissed.
Representation of counsel. Representation of counsel.
My lord, I don't know which case.
Number 6. NICN/2020 and federal
Okay. Number what? But down this table number 1.
Given the circumstance, this case is hereby adjourned to 15th of February 2022. Trial, the notice shall be issued. The notice shall be issued and served parties.
That's God, please.
Yes, number 7.
Yes.
Yes, number 7. NICN/2019. Another. The Inspector General of Police and
Parties. Representation of counsel.
John is 1, 2, 3. Is the last.
This case is hereby adjourned to 15th of February 2022. Hearing notice shall be served.
Over 8. Medical Center, Unguru, and others. Center.
Presentation of counsel.
My Lord, MD Umar for the claimant. My Lord, MD Umar for the claimant.
Yes. Yes.
My Lord, MD Umar for the claimant.
Yes, it is well taken.
Thank you, my Lord.
Respectfully, my Lord, Hadiza Makarfi for the second defendant.
Yes. Yes. No appearance for the post defendant. Yes, Mr. Umar.
Yes, my Lord, the counsel for the second defendant approached us for settlement. And
What was the matter adjourned for?
yes, my Lord.
What was the matter adjourned for?
My Lord, it was adjourned for mention, but the first defendant did not file anything despite being served with all the processes.
Can't hear you well.
My Lord,
Yes, Mr. Umar. Mr. Umar.
my Lord, we are saying the counsel for the first defendant, despite being served with all the processes, did not appear at all.
What was the first defendant?
That is the first defendant, but the second defendant, which is the establishment responsible for paying the necessary entitlements, has approached us to settle the matter, to pay the necessary entitlements that is possible. So we are making effort between us now to give them the necessary details they need to effect the necessary payment, my Lord.
Okay.
Yes, in the circumstance, we will be asking for a date for report of settlement.
Mrs. McCarthy?
Yes, my Lord.
Yes?
That is the position, my Lord.
Okay.
On our own part, we have written to the first defendant, who are the
confirming the
custodians.
position. Okay, you have written to the first defendant.
Yes, my Lord. Requesting for the service records of the claimants.
Okay.
And my Lord, we are yet to receive any response from them. But we're
Okay.
still going ahead to see what we can do to settle the matter.
Okay.
While we await the service records from the first defendant.
Okay. Given the circumstances, this is hereby adjourned to 15th of February 2022 for report of settlement. Next.
Yes, number 9. Yes, number 9. NICS/VA/05/2019 between Fatai Abiodun and the management director.
Lord, the first claimant is present.
Okay.
Representing the others.
Yes. Defendants. Representation of counsel.
With community arrest, my Lord, DM Bello.
Who?
DM Bello.
Yes.
Announcing appearance for all the claimants.
Okay. Yes. Any appearance for the defendants? Any appearance for the defendant?
My Lord, it seems like there is no appearance from the defendant side.
Okay.
And they are aware of today's date, my Lord.
Of course, yes, they were in court at the last adjourned date when the case was adjourned today. Yes.
My Lord, the matter is slated today for motion on notice. Dated
Matter for hearing of
motion on
the
notice, my Lord.
claimant's application.
Yes, my Lord.
Yes.
The application is dated 10th day of January 2022, my Lord.
Filed.
It was filed on the 11th January 2022, my Lord.
Yes.
All the parties were duly served.
When?
They were served on the 17th day of January, my Lord. 2022.
17th. Okay.
And it is ripe for hearing, my Lord.
Did they react?
No, my Lord, they did not file anything in respect to the claimant's application. My Lord, with your kind permission, we are ready to proceed with the claimant's application.
Given the circumstance, the claimant can move in terms of the application.
My Lord, as God pleases, my Lord. My Lord, the motion dated 10th day of January 2022 is hereby applied to move.
Move in terms, counsel.
My Lord.
I ask you to move in terms. Which application are you making?
Move the said application as contained in terms on the motion paper, my Lord. We're much grateful, my lord.
Right, I can hear you. Couldn't hear.
The absence of any reaction from the defendants who were duly served with the claimant's application and the hearing notice visited the claimant's application dated 10th of January 2022, Ward 5 on the 11th of January 2022 is granted as free.
As for please, we are much grateful, my lord. We humbly apply for the earliest convenient date, my lord.
Morning.
I was listening, the network is very bad.
Okay.
The thing was knocking me in and out. I don't know whether your own is better.
Bad is
Who is this, please?
I got
Who is
everything.
making noise? Whose name is that? This case is hereby adjourned to 8th of March 2022 for trial. The other notice shall be issued and served on the defendant group in the case by.
As for please, we are much grateful, my lord.
Just number 10. NI/GA/10/2020 Muhammad Garba Toro.
Parties. Representation of
Parties are absent, my lord. May it please, my lord. May it please, my lord. I am H.I. Barok. I humbly announce appearance for the claimant applicant.
Yes.
Yes, my lord. The defendants, respondents were duly served.
Any appearance for the defendants? Yes, Mr. Barrow.
Yes, my lord. My lord, we have a motion and it is ripe for hearing. The defendants were duly served.
When did you file?
We filed the motion on the 27th day of October 2021.
Dated what date?
Dated the same day, my lord, 27th day of October 2021.
Served on the defendant?
Yes, my lord. They were duly served. My lord, we may be guided by the file of the court, but they were duly served.
I cannot see the proof of service. Also, yeah, there is a proof of service in the case file. They were served on the say 27th.
Yes, my lord, 27th October 2021.
They were served.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. What?
On the circumstance, Chairman will move in terms of his application.
As court pleases, my lord. My lord, we pursuant to the order of this honorable court, we move the motion dated the 27th day of October 2021, filed on the same day in terms of the motion paper. We urge you to grant our application, my lord. We are grateful.
The claimant's motion for amendments dated and filed on the 27th of October 2021 is granted as pleased.
As court pleases. We are grateful, my lord.
Yes.
My Lord, we applied to return on the 21st day of February 2021 for hearing.
The first date of what?
Of February, my Lord, 2022 for hearing.
The first of February.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
I will be sitting in Yola that week, so we can't get it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. May we be accommodated? May we be accommodated on the first day of March, my Lord?
Okay.
First day of March.
Okay.
Or rather, my Lord, on the 3rd, I have another
Okay.
requirement.
The first is the most convenient date.
Escort, please. Escort, please. We are grateful.
This case is hereby adjourned to Tuesday, the 1st of March 2022. Trial hearing notice shall be issued and served the defendants approving the case by.
Escort, please. We are grateful.
Next.
Case number 11. One B Doma. This IC Microfinance Bank.
Doma. This one. Only one left.
Parties. Representation of counsel.
May my lord be pleased. N. B. Ahmed, sir.
Nuruddin.
Yes, my lord. My lord, I humbly announce for the claimant, sir.
Bala Ahmed. Okay. For the claimant.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. Any appearance for the defendants?
My lord, it seems there is none.
Yes.
My lord, the matter was earlier adjourned today for the hearing of motion on notice, my lord. My lord.
For hearing
Yes.
of the layman's
Motion on notice.
Yes.
Dated the 17th day of January, my lord. Filed on the 26th day of January, 2022, my lord.
Dated
The 17th day of January, 2022, my lord.
Filed
On the 25th day of January, 2022. 25th, my lord.
25th.
Yes, my lord.
When did you say you When did you file the application?
On the 25th, my lord. My lord, the application was earlier filed on the 17th of January 2022, my lord. My lord, the matter came up for hearing on the 20th, my lord. 20th of January 2022.
Okay.
Yes, my lord made observations and we refiled, my lord. My lord, there was an order from you that, from this honorable court, that the motion should also be dated the 17th and filed on the 17th. However, my lord, we encountered issues from the registry at Bauchi, my lord. So, my lord, the motion is now filed on the 25th instead of the 17th, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the defendants were in court at the last adjourned date, and they made it clear, my lord, on record that they do not intend to oppose the application. It's for leave to amend our statement of claim, my lord.
But the defendants are not here. Tell the court.
Yes, my lord.
From the record, what I'm seeing is that the motion is dated and filed on the 17th of January. Huh?
As the court pleases, my lord. My lord, our own is reading the 25th, my lord, but the court's file is the spring file, my lord. So we shall take it as that.
It is dated and filed on the 17th of January 2022.
As the court please, my lord, may I read the one that has 4 prayers, my lord?
And there is another one also apart from that one. I think that was the first one you filed, in which I pointed some
observations. Yes, my lord.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, my lord.
There is another one filed on the 25th of January.
Yes, my lord.
But
yes, my lord.
17th.
Yes, my lord. That is the one that we intend to move, my lord.
Yes. Yes.
My lord, subject to your convenience, we are ready to move, my lord.
It is not right for hearing. The defendant is not here.
As the court pleases, in the circumstance, my lord, we will be applying for a date. A short adjournment, my lord.
But he told me, you spoke to him, he says no.
Given the circumstances, this case is hereby adjourned Friday, the 12th of February 2022, for hearing of the claimant's application.
As the court pleases,
notice has been issued and served on the defendant.
As the court pleases, we are most grateful, my lord. We are most grateful.
On the adjourned date,
yes, my lord,
you have to withdraw the earlier applications filed.
As the court pleases, we are most guided, sir. We are most guided, sir.
This one, so please remember, just in case I do not remember on that day.
As the court pleases, we appreciate my lord's guidance, sir. We are most grateful.
Question number 12. RICN/BJ/M1/2022 with Musamu and others, and Animal State Government and 3 others.
The applicants present. Are the applicants present?
No, my lord.
Is the motion entertained?
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Presentation.
May it please the court.
Yes.
J.T. Jimin.
J.T.
J.T. My lord, Jimin is spelled J-I-M-I-N.
J.T.
Jimin.
Yes.
I humbly appeal for the applicants, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, we have an application before the court. It's a motion ex parte.
Yes.
It is dated the 10th day of January.
Yes.
2022 and filed on the 11th day of January 2022.
Yes, that's it.
The 10th day of January and filed on the 11th.
Yes.
My lord, subject to the court's convenience, we are ready to move the application.
Yes, you can proceed. Yes, you can proceed.
Our application prays for all the other submission.
Pardon?
As well as the ground. Our application is for content.
Can't hear you well.
My lord, our application prays for all the
Council, I'm not hearing you well. Council. Council. Mr. Jimmy. Mr. Jimmy.
Yes, my lord.
Can you come and move this application physically, please? I can give you a date.
when
Can you come on Monday, the 31st? Council, we can't hear you well.
Council, we can't hear well.
Hello, can you hear me now?
Council.
Yeah, hello.
Your voice is not audible. Circumstance, it appears that Land Council is having issues with the network as we can't hear him. The circumstance this case is hereby adjourned to 31st of January 2022 for hearing of the ex parte application physically at Kobe Division.
Court, please. Case number 30, NICN /OO/2021 between Alhaji Babu Abdullah and 33 and the Federal Polytechnic Government.
Yes. Parties. Are we having issues with the network? Parties. Unmute yourself, Council. We cannot hear you. Perhaps you have muted yourself. Unmute your device. We cannot hear you.
My Lord, can my Lord hear me now?
Yes, of course.
Thank you, my Lord.
Yes.
I'm for the defendant in this matter, and I know that there is no party from the defendant side. My Lord, with the greatest respect and humility, SM also is my name.
SM.
Also, ALSO. Also, ALSO.
Yes.
My Lord, my respectful appearance is for the defendant applicant.
Yes. No appearance for the claimant.
Yes, it appears there is none.
Yes.
Yes, my Lord, yes, my Lord, I have spoken with Adomai this morning. The
matter for mention. This matter coming up for the first time. Are we, Mr. There is one council, whose name is Adomai. Is he with us?
Adomai.
Perhaps the council has muted his device. We can see him.
Yes, he is the counsel for the claimants.
So he should unmute his device and announce appearance.
Thank you, madam.
Mr. Adomai, unmute the device you are using. The device is muted. Unmute it. We cannot hear you. Unmute the device. We cannot hear you.
Unfortunate. Sorry, my lord.
We can't hear him. The device has been
Yes, my
muted.
lord. Yes, my lord. I have spoken with Adomai this morning.
Yes.
And he informed me that he was not he was not going to oppose this application.
Okay.
Because we have an application for enlargement of time to file.
I know it is in the case file, but the issue is he has joined the proceedings, but we cannot hear him.
Very unfortunate. But that is exactly what.
I don't know if he is hearing what we are saying. He must definitely be hearing because I could see his mouse.
Yes, my lord, I don't know, but speaking from the bar, my lord, I have spoken with him this morning, and he informed me that he is not opposing this application.
Can he be assisted to unmute the device? Mr. Adomai, we cannot hear you. The device you are using is muted. Unmute it so that we can hear your voice.
Need assistance.
Or call somebody to assist you to unmute it.
Thank you, my lord.
We can see you. We can see your mouse talking, but we can't hear what you are saying. So call somebody, anybody close to you, call him please to unmute the device so that we can hear your voice. Learned Counsel has just made submission that he has spoken to you this morning and you indicated to him that you will not be objected to his application. Yes, I can see you nodding your head. So we can take this as a positive affirmation that you are not objecting to that.
Thank you, my lord. My lord.
The defendant,
my lord,
has an application.
We have an application for enlargement of time to file the necessary, to file our memorandum of appearance. Memorandum of appearance and affidavit. This is on my lord.
When did you file? When did you file?
Filed on the 29th, dated the 28th.
It is dated the 28th
of December. 1, my lord.
Vote filed
on the 29th.
On 29th
of December 2020.
You may move in terms of the application.
Thank you, my lord. This application having not been opposed, I respectfully move in terms of the motion paper and urge my Lord to grant the relief. We are much obliged, my Lord.
The independence application is granted as read.
We are very grateful and subject to your lordship convenience. We respectfully ask for 3rd of March 2022 for hearing of the originating summons.
Mr. Adomai. Mr. Adomai, you concede? Do you concede? Third of March.
Thank you, my Lord. 3rd of March.
Mr. Aso.
My Lord, we are before you on that day.
I have dates for virtual. I have dates for virtual hearing, and the 3rd of March does not fall into those dates. But let me see. 3rd of March.
As the court please.
Because we are going to take it virtually. You don't need to come.
We are very grateful.
Yes.
We are very, very grateful, my Lord.
Take it virtually. Let me give you the pips of March. Pips of March.
Where the 4th, my Lord? If it is not that convenient, I would, to the convenience of the court, we will have no objection.
No. I know it is Friday. Perhaps it may not be convenient.
Exactly, my Lord. Which my Lord would have fixed it for, if not, maybe 4th.
The issue is I have physical sitting on the 4th. No, Pips is even Saturday. Sorry.
Yes, because the 3rd, 4th is a Friday.
Yes, is it convenient?
It is, my Lord. If you can see it before 11.
I have a case on that date. Let me give you Monday the 7th. I will give you Monday the 7th. I will give to you Monday the 7th.
As the court places. I cannot see, my Lord.
You see me now?
I can see, my Lord.
With the consent of Land Council from both sides, this case is hereby adjourned to Monday, the 7th of March 2022, for hearing of the claimant's originating summons virtually.
As the court please.
Thank you. That's all.
Much obliged, my lord. We are grateful.
Thank you. Question right.
The last case. There's still a case left. We are done.
So what happened? I would have